Why can't I receive money with Zelle? Ever tried splitting a restaurant bill with friends and realized you don't have cash? Or maybe a family member wanted to send a quick birthday gift. In today's digital world, there are tons of convenient ways to send and receive money. One popular option is Zelle, a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service offered by many major banks in the U.S. But what happens when you try to use Zelle and nothing? Your friend sends the money, but it never shows up in your account. Frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. There are several reasons why you might be facing trouble receiving money through Zelle, and we're here to break them all down. Hold on, what exactly is Zelle? Before we dive into the reasons behind your missing money, let's quickly establish what Zelle is and how it works. Imagine Zelle as a digital wallet you can access through your existing bank's mobile app. You can link your bank account or debit card to Zelle, and then use it to send or receive money from anyone else who has Zelle linked to their U.S. bank account. Transactions are typically instant, making it a super convenient way to settle small debts or send quick cash gifts. Alright, back to the main story. Why can't I get my money? There are a few different culprits behind this money mystery. Let's explore the most common ones. Mismatched phone numbers or emails. This is a surprisingly common mistake. When your friend sends money through Zelle, they need to enter either your phone number or email address that's linked to your Zelle account. If they enter the wrong information, even by a single digit, the money won't reach you. Double-check that the phone number or email address your friend has for you is the same one linked to your Zelle account. Account not yet activated. Did you just sign up for Zelle? There might be a short activation period before you can start receiving money. Check with your bank to see if your account needs to be activated first. Daily receiving limits. Banks may have daily limits on how much money you can receive through Zelle. If your friend tries to send an amount that exceeds your limit, the transfer will fail. Contact your bank to find out what your receiving limits are. Bank account issues. There might be a temporary hold on your bank account that's preventing Zelle transfers from coming through. This could be due to suspicious activity, insufficient funds, or verification issues. Contact your bank to see if there are any restrictions on your account. Incompatible banks. While Zelle is offered by many major banks, it's not available at every single financial institution. If your friend's bank uses Zelle but yours doesn't, you won't be able to receive money through that service. You'll need to suggest an alternative payment method. Troubleshooting tips. So, you've identified the potential reason why you can't receive money. Now what? Here are some tips to help you troubleshoot the issue. Confirm details. Double-check that your friend has the correct phone number or email address linked to your Zelle account. Contact your bank. If you suspect there might be an issue with your account or receiving limits, get in touch with your bank's customer service department. Suggest alternatives. If your bank doesn't support Zelle, suggest alternative P2P payment services like Cash App, Venmo, or Pop Money. Availability depends on your region and bank. Still stuck? If you've tried all these troubleshooting tips and you're still having trouble receiving money through Zelle, there might be a more specific issue at play. In that case, contacting Zelle's customer support directly might be your best option. When using Zelle, it's important to only send or receive money from people you know and trust. Zelle transactions are typically final, so be cautious about sending money to anyone you don't know well. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.